Dear students, welcome to Sheikh Mathematics classes. Today we consider some problems. These are very simple, very easy, but important for exam. Now the problem given, if x plus a by x equal to b, then the value of x square plus bx plus a by bx square minus x cube is option given a plus b twice b by a b. And it was set in SSC FCI 2012. Now we want to solve this problem. Solution, I rewriting this x plus a by x equal to b given. Now our expression you consider, the expression is x square plus bx plus a by bx square minus x cube. So this can be written as from this and this x common, then we get x and here we get a by x and bx remains same. So this is x, this and this first and last term taking x common, here we get x and here a by x and bx remains same. From this to x square common, then b minus x, we get this. So this will be x square b minus x, x plus a by x, this is b, we get b plus bx. So we get this one and bx 2bx, this is x square b minus x, we get this one, and this x cancel, we get 2b by x into b minus x, we get this one. But our given condition x plus a by x, this equal to b, and a by x equal to b minus x. So we get this b minus x equal to a by x. Putting this value here, 2b by x, b minus x, this is a by x, and x cancel, twice b by a. So this is the answer. Very nice solution. Option B, 2b by a, this is the answer. So dear students, clear this solution? Very nice solution. Consider this problem. What is the value of 443 plus 547 whole square, 443 minus 547 whole square divided by 443 into 443 plus 547 into 547. This equal to what? The option given 0, 1, 2, 3. And it was said CDS 2017. Now we consider this problem. I rewriting this line, 443 547 whole square plus 443 547 whole square divided by 443 547 this. Now one thing is that here all the numbers are same, 443, here also 443, 547 minus 547, numbers are same. Now we know this formula, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, this equal to 2a square plus 2b square. Plus twice a b minus twice a b cancel, 2a square plus 2b square, or we can taking 2 common, then a square plus b square. So we can write a plus b whole square equal a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 into a square plus b square. So this is nothing but our a plus b, a minus b, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So this can be written as 2 common, then a square plus b square. This one we get, or we can write bracket this one. Here same number we have 443 whole square plus 547 whole square. So these are like term, we write whole square. This is like term, multiplication whole square. So these two are cancelled. Only we get 2. Answer is 2. So option C is our answer. For these numbers, if we calculate, we can also get the result, but this will be difficult. But if we using the formula, we get easily our answer. This is the answer. Consider this problem. The value of the expression 243 plus 647 whole square, 243 minus 647 whole square divided by 243 into 243 plus 647 into 647 is 0, 1, 2, 3, and it was set in CTET 2016. Now the problem is that this problem and previous problem, these are cousin. Same problem is same. Now we consider this problem. This is 243 plus 647 whole square plus 243 minus 647 whole square divided by 243 into 243 plus 647 into 647. This one we get this. Now this is same formula we can use. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, this equal to 2a square plus b square. Same formula we get. So this is a plus b, a minus b, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So this can be written as 2 into a square, 243 whole square plus 647 whole square, and this is 243 whole square plus 647 whole square, and these two are like terms. This will be cancelled. Answer is 2. Same result and problem is also same, but numbers are different, but answer is same. So this is the answer. Consider this problem. The value of 0.96 whole cube minus 0.1 whole cube divided by 0.96 whole square plus 0.096 plus 0.01 is 0.86, 1.06, 0.95 and 0.97, and it was set in SSC 10+2 2012. Now we consider this problem. I rewriting this line expression, this whole cube, 0.1 whole cube, 0.96 whole square, 0.096 plus 0.01, this one. So this one given. Now we know this formula. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This one. So this is denominator remains same, 0.96 whole square, 0.096, 0.01, a cube minus b cube. So a minus b into a square plus ab, that means 0.96 into 0.1 plus 0.1 whole square. We get this, and this denominator is remain same, 0.96 whole square, 0.096 plus 0.01, and if we subtract this, then 0.86, and this will be 0.96 whole square, and if we multiplying 0.096 and 0.01, we get this, and this will be like term, this will be cancelled, answer is 0.86, and this is our final answer. So 0.86, option A, this is the answer. So dear students, I hope you are all enjoying with this type of problem, and this type of problem is very easy, very simple, just you have to using the formula of this. So if you are feeling easy, if you are all enjoying with this type of problem, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.